a clap for all the volunteers, for the organisers, for you for turning up on time. Fabulous. I remember camping on that oval something like 27 years ago. Does anyone here remember that? Woo! This is such a blast for the past to come back to this venue, this place, with all of this music, this dance, this festivity, this camaraderie that Maleny is. How wonderful that we can revisit, be nostalgic about the past, but drive towards something that we create here in Maleny. So thank you everybody for being here. Thank you to the Maleny Music Festival for bringing this kind of event back to Maleny. And now this is several years it's been here. So congratulations for being here. I'm here to introduce the Welcome to Country. The really, really important way of beginning event here in Australia is to acknowledge how all occasions, all events have been begun for millennia in this place. And we all know that Maleny, the home of the Bunya, has been a gathering place for clans, for families, for unions, for thousands of years. In Maleny, under the Bunya trees, people have been gathering for a long, long time. So you are part of a very, very long continuum. But a longer continuum has been created by the Indigenous people who still live here. The Gubbi Gubbi and the Jindamara people who still live in this country and who are here tonight to welcome you and to welcome us to their country. The Gubbi Gubbi tonight are represented by the wonderful storyteller Brent and the beautiful youth who are coming up to represent their people. Tonight we have Java, Jamali, Kieran, and Ezekiel, oh, nonsense that big. So please give a really warm Maleny welcome to the Gubbi Gubbi mob. First up we have Brent, the brilliant storyteller. Give him a warm welcome. And I'll hand it back.
Well, good evening, everybody. Well, what I'd like to say is this. I'd like to say wanya, or wanya nyamani. What this simply means, it's actually a way of saying hello. It means three things. It means, who are you? How you going? Where you from? For me, this is a good way of saying hello because when you meet someone for the first time, and especially in the old days, when they're coming into your country, you ask this question, you get a conversation back. You get to know one another when you do have that conversation with each other. And this will actually give you that acceptance from moving around in this country as well. But we still use this one today, and I've always been told, even at a young age, always ask them questions. You get to know someone, you get to have a good yarn with them. All the stories start coming out. We start seeing the connections as well. But around this country here, a long time ago, in Australia, there was over 250 different languages spoken. And this was before English. Before that, Dutch was actually spoken a little bit around Australia too. When the Macussans done the trade around the north coast and actually around the eastern coast too, that language was spoken.